Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Fashion Time Chronicles. I am Drishti Goswami. Today I'll teach you about beginner's fashion illustration. What is fashion illustration? It is the communication of fashion, originates from the drawing, painting and illustration. To talk about fashion illustrator, it is someone who creates drawing and sketches and other forms of artworks which symbolizes the fashion industry. To talk about elements of fashion illustrations, which are, it symbolizes the fashion industries, their patterns, their fabrics, their art, their prints, etc. It is the communication of fashion. Initially, the tailors or the dressmakers take help of artists to transfer their ideas into sketches. What is the process of fashion illustration? A designer works upon inspiration, then taking that inspiration ideas, they transfer their inspiration to rough sketches. Those rough sketches are then transferred to croquis. Croquis are of four types, which is 9 head, 8.5 head, 10 head and 12 head elongated figures, block figures. Then rendering croquis into a proper fashion figures, applying to the texture of the fabric, pattern and print and other drawing skills with varieties of colors. So now let's begin with beginner's fashion illustration. For today's topic is 8.5 head fashion figure. Material requirements are, it can be a lead pencil or it can be a HB pencil. Second thing you need is scale, a good proper big scale, a sketchbook and eraser. So now let's begin drawing 8.5 head croquis.
Start by using scale and a pencil. Mark a 8.5 inch line. After marking 8.5 inch line, divide sections into 1 inches as shown in the video. The section should be apart 1 inches, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So 0 to 1 is your head. We are making lengthwise marking. Now 1/4 is your neck. After marking neck, 0 to 1.5 is your shoulder. After the shoulder lies bust, it is on 2 inches. After making bust, your waist is at 3, which is of 3 inches. Now after making the waist section, we'll mark the hip curve, 3/1/3 hip curve. Now after making the hip curve, we'll go to 4 inches, which is your crotch, and 4/1/4 is your crotch area. 6 is your knee area, which lies your knees, and coming to 8 is your feet part, your ankle part. So 8.5 will be your feet. Now marking width-wise measurements, coming back to 0 to 1, which is your head, 1/4 which is your neck, 1 centimeter is the width wise. So make a 1 centimeter neck by using scale. After making the neck, make 1.5 inch shoulder, which lies at 1.5 inches. So divide 1.5 into proper parts, both left and right side. After marking the shoulders, join the neckline to the shoulder line as shown in the video. Now by joining the shoulder line with the neckline, we'll join the waistline to the shoulder line. So your waist, which lies at 3 inches, is of 1 inches. That will be your waist. 1 inch will be your waist. So left and right section will be divided into half inches. Coming to crotch area, 4/1/4 is your crotch area. Mark the crotch area as well. Now the width of your hip will be same as width of your shoulder, which is 1.5 inches. Now making the crotch area, we'll join the shoulder part to the waist and waist part to the hip part. Now join hip part to the crotch area as well by marking knees, which lies at 6 inches. The knee gap would be of half inches both sides. By marking the crotch area, by joining the crotch area to the hip area. Now join crotch area to the knee line following the circle gap. Now join knees to your ankle area. The gap would be of same half inches. Now join the calf area to your ankle area and followed by your feet. So at 8.5 it's your feet. Now making the hands, your elbow lies at 3 inches and your wrist lies at 4 inches. Now making the bust area more enhancing, joining the bust area to the shoulders. So there you go guys, your 8.5 head crookie has completed. Now follow for more crookie sizes. In the next episode we'll learn about how to draw a 10 head crookie. Thanks for watching guys. In the next video we'll learn about 10 head crookie. Please subscribe to my channel and like it. Thank you.